So I want you to take a moment right now to solve this equation. And as you solve this equation, I would like for you to justify each of your steps. So go ahead and pause the video here, try working this example, and then come back and we will work it together. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do, rewrite the equation. 3 minus a. And this is my original. And then I'm going to actually use the distributive property. So here and here. Oops. So that is negative 3a minus 9 plus 15 minus 5a is equal to negative 50. And I did that with the distributive property. Okay. Then I'm going to combine together my like terms. So negative 3a and negative 5a give me negative 8a. And then negative 9 and a positive 15 give me a plus 6. And that is equal to negative 50. And I was able to do that by the substitution property. I'm just going to shorten that because I substituted an equal value. And then here next, really what I want to do is I want to subtract 6 on the left and subtract 6 on the right. And over here, I'm going to just put that was the subtraction property. And for me, that's going to work. For my class, that's going to work. I know because most of you write your equations like that. It is fine with me. Just make sure that I can see that you're subtracting 6 on both sides. So I need to physically see minus 6 and minus 6. Some of you will just do the minus 6 and write down that you have negative 8a is equal to negative 56. And while that is true, you are skipping a needed step. So you have to make sure that you write the minus 6 minus 6. And then our next step, we're going to, again, combine our like terms on the left, on the right, combining all the like terms that we have. So we'll have negative 8a is equal to negative 56. And we were able to do that again by the substitution property because we substituted equal values. Then we are going to divide both sides by negative 8. Again, you need to write that you have divided by negative 8. You just can't say that a is equal to 7 because you're skipping the important step of doing the division property. So you actually physically have to write out the step like I've done. And then we end up with a is equal to 7. And this is again from the substitution property because we substituted values that are equal. And so this is what it would look like if you justified all of your steps when you are solving the equation.